All I can say is wow. Yes. So this episode is a before and after. I was here about 3 weeks ago. They were in the middle of a yard sale, estate sale, and the kitchen was in bad shape. The colors were terrible. It was very dark. And I thought, when I saw this again still on the market, I took a look and I could not believe the transformation. So today is a before and after. Painted. And you know what? I don't remember if this is the same for mica countertop, but it looks completely different with the white cabinets. And if you remember, they had a chandelier there that was Campbell's soup. But this color now is so much brighter and airy and open. Tile floor. Big, huge pantry. Nice new looking stainless steel appliances. These aren't brand new. They've been here a little bit, but they don't look too bad. And you know what I always do when I come to the house? I look, oh, this person actually kind of cooked. And the sink, well, I'm not loving the sink, I'll tell you that much, but that's my thing. If I had my choice, I wouldn't have a double sink, but it's certainly not deep enough for me. But this one is wide, but that's my thing. That's not an everybody else thing. And this model, the kitchen and breakfast nook are in one room, and then you walk out into flip-flop of my flip-flops. Living room, dining room, and it has the solar tube. And before, this was so dark. This is a night. This was, all right, I can't get the lights on, I'm sorry. This was like an office. This must have been a lanai at one point in time. There's very little room if you wanted to put a birdcage out there, that I do remember. This is a 2-car garage, but it's extended. So if you look out, where's my finger? Over there, you see that wall there? You can't, I guess you could knock that open and put a golf cart there, but this is a huge garage. You definitely can get 2 full cars here and 2 golf carts. A lot of storage, and there is attic access. Well, I hope you enjoyed this before and after. I'm amazed. It looks fantastic. Now, thank you everyone for watching this episode. Please don't forget, if you have any questions, right up there. That's how you can get a hold of me, or put some remarks in the comments below, maybe some things that you might want to see. And don't forget, definitely give me a like and subscribe if you haven't done so. I'm Robyn Cavallaro. I'm a licensed realtor here in Florida, and I call myself a real estate matchmaker because I am going to find you the perfect match in a home. So until next time, see you later.